Hey guys, and welcome back to the Bearded Chef. This is going to be part 2 of our Fermentation Fridays. As last week we did the sauerkraut here, which is now finished, nice and beautiful. Just a side note, make sure your lid isn't fully tightened because it will continue to ferment in the fridge. For this week's video, we're going to be going over fermented pickles. So a little bit different from your traditional pickle. So if you follow me over to the cutting board, we can get started.
Okay, so the first thing we want to do is place our cucumbers in some ice water so they crisp up nice. They'll be in there for about 20 minutes. Next, we're going to cut up our garlic in nice slices. Add those to the bowl. And then we're going to add our dill. I had dried dill, so I used that. Next, we're going to put on some fennel seeds, some mustard seed, some peppercorns, a little bit of coriander, a little bit of chili flake, and some celery seed. Finished off with bay leaf. Next, we're going to grab a bowl and some hot water. To that, for every cup, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix this up until the salt is dissolved. And then we're going to add the rest of our water and allow that to come down to room temperature. Pickles are done chilling and crisping up. So we're just going to take those out and allow them to dry off a little bit on the cutting board. You can leave them whole or you can cut them up like I'm going to do here. I decided to quarter them, so you just cut them in length and then lengthwise again. Once done cutting, we're going to take our sterile jar and start placing a little bit of our cucumbers in there, followed by some of that cut garlic and a little bit of the spices. We want to layer all of these. We then want to top the jar off with our salted brine here, leaving about 1 inch of room at the top. Next, take a small Ziploc and fill it with water just to weigh the cucumbers down. Place a lid on top, but do not tighten it all the way. You want to allow those gases to come out. Label it with the date and what it is, and we want to place this into a dark and cool room. After about 7 to 10 days, they are ready to eat and refrigerate. If you guys enjoy my videos, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Bearded Chef, out.